A Crazy Eddie store at closing time. Fluorescent lights, shelves full. In the back room, Eddie Antar watches employees lift cardboard boxes marked returns. They are heavier than they look. The boxes leave through a side door. 10 minutes later, auditors arrive. Registers still ring. Inventory still shines. Nothing looks wrong. And that is exactly the problem. This collapse wasn't random. It happened because fake profit replaced real cash. Eddie Antar didn't invent a complex fraud. He focused on one point of control, when money could be seen and when it couldn't. If cash wasn't present during inspections, it wouldn't be counted. If it wasn't counted, reports could say anything. That gap between real money and reported profit became the foundation. Everything that followed depended on keeping that gap invisible. Audit days followed a routine. Eddie Antar gave quiet instructions early in the morning. Family members arrived before opening. Boxes were taped, labeled, and staged near exits. Cash was removed from safes and registers. No rush, no secrecy that looked suspicious, just timing. By the time auditors arrived, the money was already gone. The store still looked operational, only the substance had been removed. Auditors counted what they could see: shelves, receipts, ledgers. Managers opened safes that looked orderly and light. Eddie Antar stayed nearby, calm, answering small questions. Nothing technically contradicted the paperwork. The auditors wrote down clean numbers. Those numbers became official profit. What they never counted was the cash sitting miles away in a car trunk. That afternoon, Eddie Antar reviewed the reports. Sales matched expectations. Costs looked controlled. Profit appeared stable. He signed. The missing cash was explained away as in transit. Once the reports were filed, the boxes returned to the stores. The cash went back into safes. The timing erased the crime. On paper, the company was profitable. In reality, nothing had changed. Eddie Antar repeated the same process across locations. The action never evolved. Remove cash, pass inspection, file reports, restore cash. It became operational routine. Because it looked boring, no one questioned it. Investors saw consistency. Analysts saw reliability. Fake profit accumulated quarter after quarter. The longer it worked, the safer it felt, and the more damage it locked in. The mechanism failed when timing failed. An auditor arrived early. A box sat half-sealed near the exit. A question was asked before the cash was gone. Eddie Antar answered too quickly. For the first time, the action was noticed, not the report. The gap became visible. Once seen, it could not be unseen. After that moment, scrutiny replaced assumption. Counts were repeated with cash still present. Reports no longer matched reality. Patterns emerged across stores. Family roles connected. The same absence appeared again and again. Crazy Eddie collapsed fast. What once looked like success turned into evidence. Fake profit could not survive real counting. Eddie Antar didn't need brilliance. He needed control over when money could be seen. Fake profit worked only because real cash was hidden at the right moment. And once fake profit replaces real cash, collapse is guaranteed. This wasn't just Crazy Eddie. This is how fake profit destroys companies. If money disappears during verification, stop. If profit exists only in reports, walk away. More investigations coming.